Guys, Cosmo here, and welcome back to another video. Today I am here with
Eric.
and today we are doing a build-off kind of thing. So basically, we looked on this list of 100 things to build in Minecraft, and we got number 43, I believe, and that was to build a dock. So we're each going to build a dock. I'm going to build mine off this way, and he's going to build his off that way. Can't make docks out of TNT. I mean, at least I don't know what kind of dock you're making. So yeah, we're each going to make a dock. This probably won't be a speed build because it's going to be small, I would imagine. So yeah, let's get started.
Wait, Ray's on.
Get him on. Okay, guys, we are back, and the speed build is done. So here we have my dock, got a nice Prison Marine, or not Prison Marine, Sea Lantern opening. Got all you would ever need for fishing. Automatic boat dispensers. By the way, I'm showing this to you, Ray.
Oh yeah.
I'm giving you the appeal.
I'm coming.
Or not the appeal. Yeah, get over here.
Am I the only one besides you two in this call?
Yeah. So I have all the automatic boat systems, everything you would ever need for fishing. Yeah, I think, yep, that's how I did mine. Okay, now on to Eric. Eric, state your case.
Okay, so my dock
What's
is
it
like
called?
what?
What's it called?
Oh, it's called Eric's dock. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, mine's called Kyle's dock.
Okay.
Okay, so this is my dock. It's just a standard dock where like you can party and stuff. And then there's boat cages, and yes, you can ride through the fence gates. And there's shrubbery, and then this is supposed to be a bear. I try, okay, and yeah,
I can't fly. Jesus.
the shrubbery is supposed to be a bear, and it's a dock.
Okay.
It's also really long.
Okay, I got one question for you. Why is there a bear?
Cause I was trying to build like shrubs outside it because I got bored, so I just built a bear, and I don't know how to build a bear, so I ended up building
Build a bear workshop.
Okay, well, I think Kyle won because like you got all these notes, but Kyle just has this automatic dispenser thing that like saves a lot of space, and then like you got nothing else beside boats.
Thank you. I think I want to put this in here. I think Eric's dock would probably be better for like a party dock, but mine is like a nice fishing dock with boats. You have boats as well, but so yeah.
Someone on Skype just told me to make a cupcake or something.
What?
I think Seth is in the call, maybe. I don't know, but I think that's it. Anything else you guys would like to say?
No.
I feel like I should just destroy my bear because it looks constipated. And yeah.
Actually, this should be our speed build area. Right here.
We could like clear out more land.
Yeah, I could do that eventually.
We could play
So
like
actually, I'm going to be right back. I'm going to build a speed build points board real quick. Okay, and we are back. I built a little sign here. So then, Eric with second place, he gets a gold ingot. I get a diamond, and he gets a gold. Lower ranks are iron and brick. That is if we add more people. And then if need, we can go lower than brick and get some dirt. Or something. Or stone dirt. Actually, let me add those. Because I can't. Maybe wood and then. Or how about coarse dirt? Can't even. Oh wait. I gotta. And then iron and then. For this. You know this isn't the exact order that things go in? That lapis is curved sideways. There we go. Here, one last try at this. Let's see. Obsidian, just top, then diamond, then gold, then iron, then lapis, then redstone, then brick, and then dirt.
Should we have like if ever
I love how they're
like
all turned. That's funny.
should we have like a contest and the loser of it like has to do something like a PvP contest or whatever, or we could have a PvP tournament and just have like
Maybe
the winner.
next time, because I think this speed build episode is over. With that, thank you guys for watching. Anything you'd like to say, Eric?
Not really.
Okay then, we will see you next time.